If you accidentally deleted a post on Facebook, don't panic. Here's how to get it back step by step. So let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app and make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile icon or the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Here, tap on the gear icon at the top right. After that, scroll down to your activity section and tap on activity log. Inside activity log, tap on recycle bin or trash. This is where your deleted posts are stored for 30 days before they are permanently deleted. Look through the list of deleted posts, then tap on the three dots next to the post you want to recover. After that, tap on Restore to Profile. Then tap on Restore again and your post will be restored to your timeline just like before. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.